Hey guys, I'm Seth here for Newegg TV, and today we're checking out the Zalman Z11 NEO ATX tower case. Now this has a modern optimized cooling structure and all the features that you're looking for when you're building a PC at home. So let's check it out. Let's start off by taking a look at the outside of the case. This thing looks awesome, but also has a lot of really functional elements to it. First off, ventilation. We have these two intake ventilators on the front that will suck the air in. And then if we go up here on the top, we have a series of vents that let all the heat rise up out of the machine. Next, you have your input-output. You have two USB 2.0, two USB 3.0, a reset button, your power button, and your headphone and microphone. Then looking on the front, we have this brushed aluminum styling and this door that will hide any ODD inside. And it also has air filters on the bottom and the top, so you don't get dust coming in and covering all your really important, expensive computer parts. Now let's take a look at the back of the case. We've got a window here for our motherboard's input-output, integrated fan, two holes here in case we want to put in a liquid cooling system, 7 expansion slots, ventilation over here, and then a window for the power supply. Then we go over to the side, you got your acrylic window so you can see everything inside your computer. Time to look inside the case. All I do is pop off the door, and immediately we can see that there is a huge space in here. This is rated for up to a 400mm video card. In my experience, more than enough. Here in the case, we have an integrated ventilation system. So on the right and the left, we have 80mm fans, and on the back and the front, we have 120mm fans. The one on the front even has a blue LED. This has space for up to 8 more fans, so you get your optimal cooling solution all suited up the way you want it. Over here on the side, we have 8 toolless hard drive trays. All you do is squeeze, and they pull right out. This can support a traditional hard drive and even a solid state drive. And then up here on top, we have 3 5¼ bays. Everything you need. So now let's check out the back side of the case. All right, immediately we see this huge CPU cutout, very useful. You got a ton of depth, so even with your fattest cables, they're gonna fit right through. These holes here are great for cable organization, and you can use these to tie down your cables. Here's the rest of the components that you're gonna get with the Z11 NEO. You got your manual, cable ties, CPU 12-volt extension cable, PCI slot shield, you got your bolts and standoffs for mounting the motherboard, and of course you've got the integrated cables that are gonna run to your I/O and the fans. So that's the Zalman Z11 NEO case. When you pick one up, let us know what kind of components you're throwing inside of it. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more cool content like this. For Newegg TV, I'm Seth. Happy building.